G's up. Yeah. Spiritual warfare, hard point, penetrating sharp thing. You better get it right with God, it's what I recommend. You know what I'm saying? It's what I recommend. Benefits for them to be your friend. That is not a friend. Quit trying to follow the trend. Trying to be a 10. You know what I'm saying? Trying to be a 10. They just wanna piss in the wind so we can hit your chin. Put all that smiling, my nigga, show me your demon grin. Provoking real niggas to get locked up in the pen. I refuse to be part of this slop in this hall pen. Stick 'em so fast to be like bloody dolphin. It's an art, nigga, calling every coffin. I'm just saying, nigga, wrong tune, wrong man. I'm trying not to sink in this motherfucking quicksand. Try my best to be a better man. I'm sick of this witch stirring this pot in this potion pan. About to turn extraterrestrial, nigga, E.T. hand. Send them home, get them home. Wrong brand, you know what I'm saying? Wrong brand. Put your nosy eyes in the pot, nigga, like some Zatarans. You know what I'm saying? Like some Zatarans. Block your sight so you can look and never see again.